Sifocus again namhlanje. We're gonna focus here today where we talk about the table. This is where the soul code is coming from this table. This table is determining the people's soul. Umphefumulo wabantu lo wonke lo. So wonke labantu laba abaphelele kule tulo they're representing the calendar itself, and they're representing the sun, which is July here. Understand? But it will give us 6 because I'm gonna show you why it gave us 6 numbers. Understand? Divide itself by 3366. Understand? And they say it's a book of 66 pages. Understand? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 July. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is calendar. So how come we have 13 numbers with this one? 12, 13. 13 is because yabona ukhiphe umponsi ngamabomu. Umponsi lo ngamabomu, understand? So this is making the 13 numbers in the original calendar. So the original calendar is this one. The original calendar, it has the 13-month calendar. 13-month calendar, which they restricted and they put the calendar that we use today, that it doesn't have a soul. It doesn't teach us why are we here, what is our mission here. Understand? So all it is a 13 numbers. Understand? And when you go and check right now, the sun itself, it travel into the 13 number that is shaped as an 8. Understand? These are all the seasons. These are all the seasons. Understand? So it's Jesus Christ traveling from here to here, here to here, here to here, to make what? To make the 13 numbers. This is a soul code. This is where we know what is our mission in this world. Understand? So I'm going to go to Jesus Christ, as I told you that all these numbers, they represent 666, the number of humanity, not numbers of beast, numbers of humanity. When we're talking about this beast, we're talking about something that it is called a malignant, a 666, a 666 God, the God of infinity. Understand? Which is 666, God of infinity, uNkulunkulu, who is called infinity. So the number 6 first is representing love and compassion, family and responsibility, service and other, protection and caregiving, harmony and peace, healing and nurturing. Understand? It's Jesus Christ from where? From the 7 numbers, but because it is pointed in the Capricorn. Understand? Next to Leos, understand? Because his energy is sharing with the Leos, but he's standing on the sign of number 7 while he's in number 6. So where's the sun? It is directing all of the energy on number 7. Understand? So here, if it's a Capricorn number 6, the first 6 is meaning is supposed to be a healer, understand, a beauty and creativity and community and support. That's what he was doing, right? He used to take care of people, healing people, and doing all of these things because he was sent in a mission of soul, beast. Understand? So the first number that is coming from 666, and then they say it's a responsibility in family, deep compassion, and healing. So understand? So all of these numbers now they're showing you good. See, in this world, everybody has a soul, has a soul code. Understand? If you can go right now and search who were the kings of this planet, they will tell you the ones who were coming from July. July is where now you have to listen all of these people that they're coming from July because they are sent. They are the gods. Everybody who's coming from July is a god. Understand? That's why so many kings. Let's go. I want to show you all of this. This is a soul code. That's why when you find so many kings in Africa, all of them they were coming from 7 numbers. 7 numbers, which is July. Shaka Zulu. Let's go and check Shaka Zulu. Shaka Zulu, King Shaka, was born in lunar month of ubani Ntulikazi, July. All of this is part of the soul code. Saul, the king of Egypt, the king of Ethiopia, the king of all of these kings, they come from July, and you need to ask yourself why is working in in the month of July. Zonke Nkosi, why is this as in the month of July? Now they're making them. They're making them. They're making them. They are taking all of these watch results and making them because they are still using the calendar that is ending on the 13th month, and we are using the calendar that is end on the 12th month. Understand? This is where it distracts our souls. So this is why you need to know which is the soul code. It is very it is very, very important. Understand? It is very important. Understanding we don't know about this. We don't know about this. Understand where they come from. We don't know anything about them. Only that we knew that they were dying young. Understand now they want to be the king, the ones who are sent by the Most High, but they are not because they say they will be they will have a mark of the beast which is melanin. The Bible says this is they will have a mark of the beast that is melanin. Now they don't have a melanin. They are using the energy of kings to rule. We are under the Christianity leadership right now. We have ideas, taxes, lands that we have to pay for, and all of these things. Understand? This is just for entertainment purpose only. Understand? All of these things you need to be aware of it because this is talking about the soul code, the table, the table itself is representing the soul code. To know where you are standing and what is your mission to this world and how to use your career to work for you, all of these things. If you want it 064635 488 064635 488 pay reflection.